Hey guys, this is Rochan Joshi from DevOps Tech. This video is the demonstration of how to use the certificate generator feature of our website. So when you'll search for us on Google and reach the main page of our official website, this is what will be appearing on your screens. So over here, as you can see, is the Our Services drop-down menu. When you click on it, the certificate generator option which will appear, which needs to be selected. So after selecting, this is what will be appearing on your screens. So over here it's asking for two things. One is the upload certificate template. This is basically the image of your certificate, that is how your certificate will be looking. The next is the upload CSV file, which is the Excel file which contains the data which will be appearing on your certificates. So after I have clicked the open option, both the certificate template and the CSV has been automatically uploaded. Once both the requirements are fulfilled, I need to click on the submit button. So this is where the actual certificate making comes into play. So the protocol which needs to be followed here is, like it's written, total number of columns 4. So there are basically 4 columns in my Excel sheet which have all the data which will be appearing on my certificates. So I need to select 4 empty places where I want to put the data. So this is the image that I had selected previously for my certificate. Now another thing that needs to be taken into consideration is that when you are clicking on these respective spaces where you want the data to be appearing, you need to click in such a way that whatever is written in your Excel file is properly accommodated in your certificate in this given space provided without any overlapping. So I very vividly remember that the first word of my Excel column 1 is participant, which will be going into this certificate in this particular space. So I'll be clicking over here in such a way that participant is properly accommodated in this space. Then comes awarded to. Then comes the date. And then comes the signature. Once I'm done with the 4th click, I am automatically being redirected to this particular page from which I can download my certificates. So when I click on the download button, a zip file is being downloaded into my computer, which will be containing the certificates in 2 formats. One is the .jpg format, which is basically the image, and the other one is the PDF format. So your certificates will be appearing in both of these formats, the image and the PDF. So here is my zip file. So now I need to right click on this image folder and I need to extract it and put it into my desired location. Suppose I want this to be appearing in my downloads. So I've selected downloads and clicked OK. Now when I look for this folder in my downloads, here it is, here are the images. So I'm clicking on it. And as you can see, this is my certificate. This is how my certificate looks. Now I had clicked on my certificate in such a way that all the data is properly accommodated in this space provided without any overlapping. So this is how it needs to be done. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching.